This will be the elevator here at the Dr. Conrad Worrill Track and Field Center here in Chicago, Illinois. Check out what we have here.
Going up.
We have a KONE. Very nice one too. Let's go to 2. Smells clean in here.
Second floor. Going down. First floor.
Tin can. Going up.
Going up.
I'm going up. Going back upstairs.
Oh, you are? Oh, okay. That's fine.
I'm just filming the elevator, that's all. Sounds wonderful.
That's pretty neat.
Oh, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Second floor.
Now, do you want me to get out before you? Would that be easier?
No, go ahead.
Okay.
I'm just filming it.
Down.
All right, I want to make sure it's open.
No, I got it. I'm going back down.
Oh, okay.
Going down.
Here's the MRL cabinet right here. Yeah, watch this. This thing is a door issue. That sounds wonderful. Movie cabinet here. It's actually pretty nice. Elevator here. Guess that's 140.
Going down.
Look at those kids, that's 145s. Expired certificate.
First floor.
Not the greatest elevator.
Going up. Going up. Going up.
About that time. There goes the elevator. Love the elevator sign on the side. But yeah. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.